Guys, please don't judge me, but I stole my girlfriend's birthday present after I bought it for her. Now, sleeping next to her every night is such a jar because all she does is snore throughout the whole night. But this smartly designed noise reduction eye mask is perfect for sleep, especially if your missus snores like mine. Not to mention, it's super comfortable when you put it onto your face. It's got this padding that makes it super comfortable, and you can also connect it to your phone through Bluetooth. So if you're easily distracted while you're sleeping, then these are great. I'll link them down below if you want to check them out. Press the yellow basket and order them now. But make sure you're quick because they might go out of stock as they are super popular.